In a bold, visionary step, Tesla CEO Elon Musk unveiled his groundbreaking strategy for the Robotaxi revolution during the company's first quarter earnings call on Tuesday.
As we've announced, we'll be showcasing our purpose-built Robotaxi or Cybercab in August.
Emphasizing the potential game-changing nature of autonomous vehicles, Musk introduced the Cybercab as a unique and unparalleled model, drawing inspiration from industry giants like Airbnb and Uber. What milestones does Elon Musk foresee achieving with the introduction of the next-generation vehicle? Why does Tesla prioritize the launch of Cybercab over other affordable EV models? In the first quarter earnings call, Elon Musk unveiled the name of the forthcoming Robotaxi, expected to eliminate steering wheels and pedals. Musk referred to this upcoming vehicle as the Tesla Cybercab, set to debut on August 8th of this year. Yet why did Elon Musk make this bold and transformative decision instead of unveiling the much-anticipated $25,000 Model 2? Let's delve into the details to unravel this question. Firstly, it's crucial to remember that Elon Musk has always prioritized autonomy. As Jessica Caldwell, head of insights at the automotive shopping platform Edmunds, aptly noted, autonomy is the top priority at Tesla. During the earnings call, Musk actively avoided discussing product plans, indicating his focus on autonomy. Moreover, Tesla's CEO isn't just into electric, he's into automation. Musk's energy is predominantly directed towards the autonomous capabilities of electric vehicles rather than mass production, which he claims could reach 3 million units. He talks about a product called the Cybercab, featuring fully self-driving software. "We're going from cars to robots," he said. Furthermore, Tesla's recent pivot towards robotaxis and complete emphasis on autonomous driving technology appears remarkably wise. Making cars is tough. Thus far, achieving fully autonomous vehicles has proven to be immensely challenging. Even overlooking the plethora of complaints and even lawsuits actively opposing Tesla's full self-driving deployment, self-driving cars remain a challenging endeavor. Just look at Apple, who abandoned its efforts to mass-produce such a vehicle. Uber, Ford, GM, and Volkswagen have all scaled back their self-driving efforts. While Waymo is among the few companies with self-driving cars consistently running on the road, it's yet to turn a profit. If Tesla succeeds with the Cybercab project, it could spell the end for its competitors. To bolster confidence, during the earnings call, a simulated version of Tesla's ride-hailing service was showcased, which will be integrated into the Tesla app. Musk explained that Tesla will operate the fleet and function as a cross between Airbnb and Uber for the ride-hailing service, where Tesla drivers decide whether they want their Tesla to be used, by whom, and when. So, what significance does this service have for the Cybercab? The purpose Musk envisions is for Tesla owners to be able to add or subtract their vehicles from the fleet whenever they want, and they can decide whether they want to just lend the car to friends and family or only to 5-star users or anyone. This flexible program, akin to Airbnb, will allow owners to take their cars off the market whenever they want. In the first quarter of this year, the company emphasized that they're researching the call function that'll be available in the future. Tesla further stated, "We have and are investing in the hardware and software ecosystem necessary to achieve vehicle autonomy and ride-hailing services. We believe that an autonomous business can expand and generate profits that can be realized through a visionary architecture with an end-to-end neural network trained on billions of miles of real-world data." The upcoming ride-hailing service will allow users to easily request a Tesla vehicle, control the car's temperature, track real-time location, and adjust the sound system. It's also released a preview of what ride-hailing feature will look like when integrated into the Tesla app. How will Tesla Cybercab be designed to reflect the breakthrough and modernity of autonomous driving technology? The name Cybercab suggests that the upcoming Robotaxi, set to debut on August 8th, will borrow some design elements from the Cybertruck. This means that unlike the new vehicle starting production later this year, Cybercab will be built entirely on Tesla's next-generation platform. We're told that the third-generation platform will usher in a new era of car manufacturing by completely reimagining the assembly process. Musk describes the upcoming Robotaxi fleet as operating like a cross between Airbnb and Uber. This hints at a dual approach. Tesla will own and operate a segment of the Robotaxi fleet while also providing individuals the opportunity to integrate their personal vehicles into the network for rental purposes. According to Elon's biographer, Walter Isaacson, the design for the Robotaxi as well as the $25,000 EV has been scrapped, influenced by design sessions in February last year. Drawing inspiration from Tesla's Cybertruck, both vehicles share a futuristic aesthetic characterized by angular lines and stainless steel construction. The body of the Cybercab is based on the Cybertruck, utilizing stainless steel metal. It's speculated that Tesla will use similar silver-white metal panels as the Cybertruck. This helps eliminate paint options, reduce production costs, and rationalize the production line by minimizing unnecessary complexity. Additionally, aerodynamics always play a crucial role in enhancing the range and performance of Tesla vehicles. Take, for example, the Tesla Semi, a heavy-duty truck with an impressive 0.22 drag coefficient as disclosed by Tesla's designers. Similarly, Cybercab is predicted to feature more angular design elements rather than those traditional curves. Recent disclosures about Starlink technology being integrated into the Cybertruck, evidenced by the Starlink mobility disc displayed on Tesla's Cybertruck, demonstrate that satellite internet systems can seamlessly integrate into electric trucks. This revelation is particularly intriguing, especially with a high-performance flat Starlink mobility disc design that's intended for integration into vehicles and adaptable to any future location. If initial estimates of Cybertruck's battery size are accurate, and if the next-generation vehicles built on the Cybertruck chassis rather than the Model X, then Tesla van could have a battery pack of up to 200 kilowatt-hours, potentially reducing to 100 kilowatt-hours in the future. Significant advancements in battery production are occurring at a time when the industry is grappling with raw material shortages for batteries. Equipping the Cybercab with CATL M3P batteries marks a revolutionary shift in technology and performance. Official data reveals that CATL M3P batteries operate on a new material system with an energy density of 210 watt-hours per kilogram, about 15% higher than lithium iron phosphate batteries. This innovation has been proven to increase the driving range of Model 3 produced at the Shanghai factory by 10%. Furthermore, the cost of CATL M3P batteries is equivalent to lithium iron phosphate batteries and lower than lithium ternary batteries. Blending the electrode materials of the CATL M3P batteries with lithium manganese, lithium, and iron phosphate will address concerns about short lifespan and high resistance commonly seen in lithium iron phosphate batteries. Of course, we cannot overlook the integration of autonomous driving capabilities into the Cybercab or Robotaxi, a testament to Elon's relentless development efforts. With Musk's announcement of the release of Tesla's fully self-driving FSD version 12 expected within the next 2 weeks, the optimistic timeline associated with Musk's endeavors may surprise many. However, indications suggest that Tesla is making significant strides in deployment. The latest public beta build of FSD, version 11.4.7.3, has some modifications compared to the current production build. Therefore, the deployment of version 12 is expected to allow FSD beta testers to catch up with Tesla's latest features, including predictive charger availability, faster response to hazard lights after incidents, and other enhancements found in updates 2023.32 and 2023.38. Regarding improvements in full self-driving, release notes for FSD version 12 are disclosed. A notable change in V12 involves removing over 300,000 lines of previous code managing FSD functions to control the vehicle, now relying more heavily on the Dojo neural network. This transition process signifies reduced dependence on hard-coded programming. FSD v12 marks the first instance where the neural network controls driving, acceleration, and braking, in addition to its previous role of object detection and attribute determination. This marks a significant leap forward in Tesla's FSD technology. Musk describes it as end-to-end AI, using human-like optical processing methods, reflecting Tesla's ambition to mirror human design-making on its vehicles. Labeled as Baby AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, this new version aims to perceive and understand the complexity of the real world, gradually evolving towards greater sophistication. The deployment of FSD version 12 marks a significant milestone in the journey of autonomous driving, and Tesla's artificial intelligence will undergo robust development as the Robotaxi launches in August this year. It's not just the technological capabilities, but also AI refinement to adapt to diverse human behaviors. With Musk's steadfast focus on AI evident in his ambitious projects, Tesla continues to maintain a prominent position in the electric vehicle market and the larger AI revolution. As we await further details on its potential groundbreaking technology at the Cybercab event, it is evident that Tesla is getting closer to a future where cars are not only self-driving, but also intelligent and capable of adapting to the complexities of reality. What manufacturing technology has Tesla selected for the upcoming generation of the Cybercab? Tesla has separated Cybercab from its upcoming vehicles and declared, "Our purpose-built Robotaxi will continue to pursue a revolutionary non-box manufacturing strategy." The centerpiece of Tesla's innovative manufacturing approach is the non-box production system. This new method breaks away from the long-standing linear assembly process by implementing a more flexible modular framework. Unlike traditional production lines where vehicles move forward on conveyor belts to have parts sequentially added, Tesla's non-box system assembles cars in a way reminiscent of making Legos. Components are pieced together in specialized assembly areas, only coming together at the final stages. This modular approach isn't just about breaking away from tradition. It's a strategic move to outpace the fierce competition from Chinese electric car startups, companies benefiting from strong government support and efficient local supply chains. By applying consumer electronic-style assembly line techniques, Tesla aims to reduce its manufacturing footprint by over 40%, promising faster construction and cost savings. The non-box system is set to significantly reduce vehicle production costs. Estimates suggest production costs could be slashed by up to 50%, enabling the manufacture of vehicles in significantly smaller factories. This efficiency is partly thanks to advanced robotics technology, like the Optimus Bot, which enhances operational efficiency and safety while providing unprecedented flexibility in manufacturing. In a groundbreaking step in this manufacturing realm, Tesla previously pioneered the innovative non-boxed approach for its Cybertruck. This pioneering process is a departure from conventional manufacturing technologies, leveraging modern gigapress casting technology to replace reliance on traditional welding and joining of metal panels. At the core of this revolutionary process is the inspired gigapress machine, a colossal apparatus with superior capabilities to forge vehicle body parts from molten aluminum in a single press operation. This transformative advancement equips Tesla with numerous advantages. First and foremost, the Cybertruck's chassis, crafted from 4mm thick 301L stainless steel, boasts an astonishing threefold increase in durability compared to rivals in the pickup truck segment. This formidable structure not only reinforces the vehicle's resilience against impacts, but also ensures maximum safety standards for occupants. Furthermore, by steering clear of conventional welding techniques and secondary frames, Tesla has significantly reduced the overall weight of the Cybertruck, shedding over 800 pounds compared to the Ford F-150. This weight optimization not only enhances the vehicle's performance, but also contributes significantly to fuel savings, aligning with Tesla's commitment to sustainable transportation. Beyond simple weight savings, the non-box manufacturing model also streamlines production processes by eliminating the need for complex welding and assembly procedures. This rational approach not only reduces the complexity of manufacturing operations, but also minimizes the number of required components, thereby delivering clear benefits in both time efficiency and cost effectiveness. The inherent flexibility in the Cybertruck monolithic design has provided Tesla with unparalleled agility in responding to evolving market dynamics and technological advancements. This adaptive capability facilitates seamless integration of its iterative design improvements in the future and technological advancements, ensuring that the Cybertruck remains at the forefront of innovation and continues to resonate with evolving consumer preferences. Another surprising shock came recently from the first quarter earnings report, where Tesla could produce 3 million vehicles every year just by expanding production at its existing factories. In 2023, Tesla delivered a record 1.8 million vehicles. However, the electric car manufacturer revealed that existing factories could be expanded to increase that figure by over 50%. Tesla further added that an additional 1.2 million vehicles per year would come from vehicles built on a combination of the Model 3 Model Y platform and the next-generation vehicle platform. Tesla explained this strategic shift, saying, "This update may result in less cost savings than expected, but allows us to cautiously increase our vehicle volume and conserve more capital during uncertain times. This will enable us to maximize the anticipated maximum capacity of nearly 3 million vehicles, facilitating the growth of over 50% compared to 2023 production levels before investing in new production lines." The unexpectedly high number of Cybertrucks seen at Gigatexas was a staggering figure at the time. However, last night, Tesla officially revealed that the electric car manufacturer could produce 1,000 Cybertrucks in just a week. If Tesla can maintain this figure throughout the year, the electric car manufacturer will achieve a production rate of 50,000 Cybertrucks annually. Tesla's current Cybertruck production rate is only 25% of the highest planned production rate of 250,000 Cybertrucks a year. And from there, production technology for the next generation vehicle will become faster and smoother, as well as accelerating production to avoid delays that Cybertruck has faced since the end of last year. The unveiling of Cybercab marks a pivotal moment for Tesla, signaling a bold leap into the future of integrated self-driving technology. As Tesla separates Cybercab from its upcoming vehicles, it underscores a strategic commitment to revolutionizing manufacturing with a non-boxed approach. This innovative method promises substantial cost reductions and unparalleled flexibility, positioning Tesla to outpace competition and meet evolving market demands. The Cybercab's foundation on Tesla's cutting-edge third-generation platform reflects a commitment to pushing boundaries. With its sleek design inspired by the Cybertruck and advanced aerodynamics, Cybercab embodies Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation. Moreover, Tesla's emphasis on Robotaxi technology underscores a vision beyond mere transportation. It's about reshaping urban mobility. By leveraging advanced AI and self-driving capabilities, Cybercab promises not just a ride, but an experience tailored to individual preferences. As Tesla accelerates towards a future where cars are not just autonomous, but intelligent and adaptive, Cybercab stands as a beacon of progress. It heralds a new era where vehicles seamlessly integrate into our lives, offering convenience, safety, and sustainability. With Cybercab, Tesla is not just redefining transportation, it's shaping the future of mobility. We hope you'll experience the utmost relaxation after watching this video. If you did, please press the like button and join the Tesla Car World community by subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay tuned for any fantastic videos coming your way. Your feedback and time are highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, stay safe and enjoy.